Hello students, welcome to Shore of Ssc classes. So today we will be solving the questions of Ssc combined graduate level of pre-examination 2016. So let's get started. Okay, so here we have an equation that is p cube minus q cube is equal to p minus q whole into p plus q whole square minus xpq, and we have to find the value of x. So here we have to find the value of x. So now let's write it. Okay, so p cube minus q cube equals to p minus q in first bracket, then second bracket start, p plus q whole square minus xpq. So this is our equation. Now let's do one thing, that we know the formula of p cube minus q cube, that is p minus q whole into p square plus q square plus pq. So that we know. So in the right hand side, what we can write, p minus q. So this is p minus q. Now we can break this, as we know the formula of a plus b whole square. So this would be p square plus q square plus 2pq and then minus xpq. So here we can have this statement, or this as the broken one. Now what you have to do is find the common one. So let's first change the pen color. So we can do this, and then we will have the p square q square plus pq equals to p square plus q square, and we can take a common from here, that is pq. So plus pq, if we take it as common, then we'll have 2 minus x here in bracket. Now in the next step, what we can do is there is q square. Again we can eliminate this p square and this q square. So in the next step, then we will have only pq equals to pq whole into 2 minus x. Now here in the next step, we can write it like 2 minus x, that is equals to 1, or x equals to 1. So we have our answer, that is 1. So option A will be the correct answer for this math. Let's see our next math in this. So here we have to simplification. We have to simplify this math. So now let's write it again, that is 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus root over 2 plus 1 divided by 1 minus root over 2. So if we have to simplify this. Now if you just look into this, this is our a square minus b square formula, that is a plus b whole into a minus b. So what we can do here is write it in a form of a square minus b square, that is 1 minus root over 2 whole square. Then what we will get, so we'll get 1 minus root over 2 whole this root over 2 square minus 1 minus root over 2, then plus 1 plus root over 2. So we can get this in the next step. Now from here, first this root over 2 square means 1 minus 2, and here we can do this like 1 minus again 2 minus 1 minus root, this minus minus will be plus, so this will be plus, so root over 2 plus 1 plus root over 2. Now here this is our, we can eliminate this like 1, this 1. Okay, and now we will have 2 minus, so we'll have this, so here minus root over 2 plus 1 plus root over 2 divided by this minus 1. Okay, so in the next step what we can do, so here we will have minus 1 plus 2 root over 2 divided by minus 1. So from here we can write it 1 plus 2 root over 2 if we take minus as common and eliminate that. So this is our answer, that is 1 plus 2 root over 2, that was option B. So here, thank you for watching this video.